Hi, earlier we have worked a lot on numeric data types such as int, float, and double. In this tutorial, we will explore char data type and we will learn how we can test different data types of characters like digits, alphabets, punctuations, graphic characters, etc.
In header file tutorials, we learnt about ctype.h file. To refresh your memory, this file includes functions that are useful for testing and mapping characters. In this tutorial, we will learn more about the functions included in this file. All the functions defined in ctype.h except int as a parameter whose value must be EOF or representable as an unsigned character. These functions return a non-zero value if the argument satisfies the condition described. Else, the function returns 0. Let's learn about two commonly used functions of this file, that is alnum and alpha. Let's begin with alnum. This function checks if the passed character is alphanumeric. The general form of declaration of this function is shown on the screen. Here, C refers to the character that is to be checked. The function returns a non-zero value if C is a digit or a letter, else it returns 0. Here's a program which demonstrates the use of alnum functions. Notice that here we have included ctype.h header file which includes the alnum function. In this program, there are three integer variables. The first variable holds alphabet A, second variable holds digit 4, and third variable holds a backslash sequence. The alnum function checks var1, var2, and var3 one by one. If alnum finds an alphanumeric character in any of these variables, it prints on the screen that the variable is alphanumeric. Else, it prints that the variable is not alphanumeric. Let's execute the code.
We get messages variable 1 alphanumeric, variable 2 is alphanumeric, and variable 3 is not alphanumeric. All these statements are true. Since variable 1 stores an alphabet, variable 2 stores a digit, and variable 3 stores a backslash sequence. Now, let's understand alpha function.
This function checks if the passed character is an alphabet. The general form of declaration of this function is shown here on the screen. Here, C refers to the character that is to be checked. The function returns a non-zero value if C is an alphabet, else it returns 0. Let's go back to our previous code. Earlier, we used alnum function to check which of these variables contains an alphanumeric value. Now, we replace alnum function with alpha function to check which of these variables contains an alphabet. Here, variable 1 stores an alphabet, so in the output we get a message variable 1 is an alphabet.
Variable 2 stores a digit, so we get a message variable 2 is not an alphabet. Variable 3 stores a backslash sequence, so we get a message variable 3 is not an alphabet.
That's it in this tutorial. But we have explained some more functions of ctype.h in the helper text. So now, please visit the helper text.